Hello everybody, and in today's video we'll take a closer look at this 2013 Mini Cooper S Paceman. It is equipped with remote keyless entry. This is how the key looks like with lock-unlock buttons. It also allows to open the trunk. It is equipped with power locks and power windows with one touchdown feature on the driver and passenger sides, and then folding heated power mirrors. It features all black interior with heated front sport seats. Large dial speedometer is in the middle with the radio on the bottom part. And now let's try to start it up. It is equipped with an electronic key and a push button start. The tachometer is the only dial right in front of you. The audio system includes AM, FM and HD radio, play CD, and it has an iPod input. And on here below you'll find the controls for the heat and air conditioning, traction control, central lock, and the sport mode that allows quick air throttle and steering response. And then two large cup holders with removable ashtray. Cigarette lighter right in the middle. And then middle console features 6-speed automatic transmission with manual mode and pedal shifters on the steering wheel. And then the steering wheel column is manually adjustable. It is tilt and telescopic. Now the steering wheel is 3-spoke, leather-wrapped, with pedal shifters right behind, and then the audio controls on the left and the cruise control is on the right. Illuminated glove compartment. And this is it for the driver's side, and now let's open the hood and check out the engine. This 2013 Mini Cooper S Paceman, equipped with 1.6-liter turbocharged direct injected 4-cylinder engine that produces 181 horsepower and 177 pound-feet of torque. MPGs are 23 in the city and 30 highway. The wheels are 17-inch alloys with 4-wheel disc brakes, front ventilated and rear solid, tire pressure monitoring system, traction control and anti-lock braking system. And now let's take a look at the back seat. There are two separate seats divided by the middle console with two large cup holders. And finally the trunk. It's pretty good size for the small SUV of this class, plus you have 50-50 collapsible back seats. Surprisingly, I couldn't find any spare tire or a place where to put spare tire, so I guess the tire repair kit is all you get. The 12-volt power outlet is on the right side. The suspension here is McPherson strut in front and multi-link in rear, and the badge All 4 on the side stands for full-time intelligent all-wheel drive system. Alright guys, that's all I have about this 2013 Mini Cooper S Paceman. I hope you liked this video, leave your comments below, visit my channel for more, and see you next time.